In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy on Alibaba. Let's walk through the entire process from the first click to getting your order started so you can shop with confidence and avoid common pitfalls. Begin by heading to Alibaba.com in your browser. This is the global marketplace where manufacturers and wholesalers list products in bulk and, increasingly, smaller minimums too. If it's your first time, take a second to familiarize yourself with the homepage layout, the search bar across the top, category links, and filters you'll use shortly. Next, type the product you're looking for into the search bar. Be descriptive and specific. Include details like material, size, or model if you know them. Precise keywords help surface relevant listings and reduce the time spent sorting through results. Click the search button to see what's available. On the results page, use the filters to refine your options. You can filter by supplier type, minimum order quantity, price range, and features. This is also a good place to look for suppliers who offer trade assurance, which adds an extra layer of protection for your orders. When you spot a promising listing, click it to open the product page. Here, read carefully. Check the product specifications, available variations, minimum order quantity, pricing tiers, and estimated lead times. Scan the photos and description to confirm it matches your needs, and look at the supplier's ratings and response rate. If you see certifications or detailed factory information, that's a positive sign of reliability. Now click Start Order to begin the order setup. This opens the order form where you'll confirm details. If the seller offers product options, make sure you choose the correct color, size, plug type, or any customization noted in the listing. Enter the quantity you want. Pay attention to price breaks. Ordering a bit more may reduce the unit price. Also, make sure you meet the minimum order quantity. If you're close but not quite there, consider whether small accessories or variants can bring you up to the required amount. When everything looks correct, clicks both Start Order again to proceed. This typically creates a draft order or moves you toward checkout, where you'll finalize the transaction with the supplier. Finally, fill out the shipping address accurately. Include the recipient's full details and reliable delivery address that matches your preferred shipping method. Double-check the postal code and any special delivery notes to avoid delays. Accuracy here helps the supplier quote shipping correctly and ensures smooth delivery. That's it. Going from search to order on Alibaba is straightforward when you know what to look for. Follow these steps, review details carefully, and you'll be ready to place your order.